Hello, everybody. This is MC from Not Just Scrapbooks, and this is my latest mini album slash junk journal slash traveler's journal. Anyway, it's for the Salvation Army again. They have drawings at their crops, and people buy tickets, and then they put tickets in the bag for what they want, and that way the Salvation Army can help with some of its particular programs. And this time I think we're doing seniors. Last time we did summer camp for some of the kids. And anyway, let me just say that the paper is from a digital collection, except for these two pieces, which are from 49 and Market. And the fabric on this one is actually a placemat from Dollar Tree, I believe. I just cut it up and used it because I thought it was really pretty. Even though you don't get to see much of it, what you do see works with the paper. At least I thought so. And it has like a texture, which I really liked. I also put charms on it, which we'll see when it gets back around here. And I dyed my own lace. I buy lace, white lace from Amazon. And then I use my alcohol markers to go ahead and dye them the color I want. So we have a whole bunch of charms here. Most of these are also from Amazon. And then the ribbon was in my stash. So here we go. I'm going to stop this thing from turning and set it up in a different way so that we can look at it. If I can get it to stop turning. There we go. Okay, now let's see how we're going to do this. I think we may have to make this a little smaller, and then I'm going to open this up. And it's hard to see because of the way I'm all set up, but I think you're getting the whole picture right now. We may have to turn the phone around, which would be kind of weird, but let's see what I can do here. So here we have a pocket, and I have some different pieces of paper in here, and I also have an envelope that I made that has yet another piece of paper. So yeah, I'm gonna just take my word for it. There's paper in here, and then I did put something on the back here, one of the stickers from one of the collections I was using. This opens up here, and you have a few pages in here that you can put some things in, and this is sewn in, so this one does stay in here. And then this opens up and opens up again and opens up again. So it's a very, very long piece here that people can put their pictures on, or the person that wins it can put their pictures on. And in here there's another pocket with a trifold and another piece in here. And that goes back in there, and this folds back up, and this gets put back in here, and I'll do that later. We have two pretty good sized signatures in here, and they come out completely, so the person can take out these pages and then go ahead and put new ones in here if she or he wants to. And then we have just pretty pages in here, and writing space, and you know, places where they can still put pictures, and I can write on top of that. You know, how the person uses it is really up to them. I'm just going to go through this quickly. There's a smaller piece here that I think is also from the collection, which may be a uniquely creative collection, I'm not sure. And here I put a die cut, and what I did is I put a die cut on both sides, the same one, so that there's a little bit more firmness to it and it won't tear as easily. because this is vellum. And then we have, again, more pages in here. And in the middle here we have the elastic with a sunflower charm. And then this here is just washi tape, and this is coffee stain paper that I believe I also bought on Etsy, though it could have been on eBay. And then again, more sheets from different collections, and we have another die cut here, and I did the same thing. That's the other side of the vellum paper, and I also put a flower on both sides to give it a bit more heft. And then lots and lots of places for pictures and writing and doing whatever it is that makes you happy. And it's got stuck because, yep, and we're good. Because after all, it doesn't have to be pristine. And here's the second signature. And again, more washi tape on this coffee stained paper. And that is a lot of pages. And I'm glad that I think I'm managing to show you everything here without having my hands all the way in the way. And again, there's a shorter piece of paper here. And I probably should get a couple of doilies in here, but I haven't done that yet. This is really pretty, isn't it? I mean, it's all pretty paper, but some pages just look prettier to me. And again, I did the same thing here, just put it in a different place. And again, here. Little house, cabin. Sometimes you just like the paper that you put in here. Like this one too. I love butterflies. I really do. I love butterflies a lot. That's pretty too. And if I can, I will, when I upload this and I have a minute, I will try to let you know where the paper comes from. Give credit to the Etsy shop that I got it from, or the Etsy shops, because usually there's more than one collection in my books. And again, at the back we have another pocket with some different kinds of papers and things to write on. So, and here's the back. And again, here are all the charms. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick look at my latest book. And I wish you a very good day, and thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.